Parental discretion is advised.
Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons for the 2023. You know who? You know me. Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. We in effect. So yo, I'm gonna get right to it today. The video is about 10 ways to get credit without a credit card. Okay, so no credit card needed. You're gonna get a high credit score with no credit. 10 ways. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. The first way to get high credit with no credit card is don't apply for no credit. Straight like that. You don't need to apply for no credit at all. A clean file, blank file with no credit on it at all whatsoever is a good thing. That is a plus. That is a gem. That is a blank canvas. You basically have a 700 credit score. Straight like that. If you have no credit at all whatsoever, you got a 700 credit score right now. Straight like that. Because you have no derogatories, you don't owe nothing, and that's a good space, good place you want to be in where you don't owe nobody nothing at all. Period. Point blank. Alright? So don't apply for no credit at all. Period. And you already got good credit. And you want to keep good credit as long as possible. Alright? So you got high credit just because you don't have none at all. You don't owe nobody. And that's a good thing. Alright? The next way you can get high credit is you are going to add yourself as an authorized user on someone else's credit card. You're going to piggyback on someone else's credit card. Good credit card. Okay. You want to be added to someone else's credit card, but you don't get the credit card. Okay. And you can do this to multiple credit cards. All right. So you can have a credit card with $10,000 limit and maybe the age of the credit is 5 years. Now you got 5 years credit instantly. Boom. Just like that. And $10,000 credit line. Boom. Instantly. Just like that. This is an old trick. Old credit boosting trick, old tactic. It's still in effect. It still works in 2023. It's still gonna work in 2024. It ain't going nowhere, okay? It's a tactic of the rich. They've been doing this and it's always been around. People always try to talk down, give it a bad rep, saying it's not gonna work. They got FICO 10 coming out, all that stuff. It's not like it used to be. No, fuck all that. It works still to this day. It ain't going nowhere. Authorized user. Excellent way to build credit. Piggybacking off someone else's credit card. It's not in your name, but the positive history gets attached to your credit. And if that card has bad credit on it, then you don't want it because then that also get attached to your file. Then you have bad credit. But people sell this on the marketplace, so you can just do your research and you can buy this on the marketplace, or you can get it for free from your friends and families. You can have high credit with authorized user trade lines. Okay, straight like that. Excellent way to build credit. The next way that you can get high credit, okay, with no credit card is CD loans. Okay, you want to get a credit builder loan from the bank. All right, so what you can do is put down like $1,000 in the bank for a CD, certificate of deposit, take it to the bank, say, hey, I want to use this $1,000, put it in a safe deposit box, and then now I want to loan against it for an installment loan, and the bank will give you an installment loan for $1,000. Okay, shit like that. What you can do is in 30 days you can pay that back. You can push it out longer, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, however long you need to push it out. But if you want to do it quick way, fast way, goon way, 30 days. Put it in for 30 days, and then hey, take it out, bring the money back to the bank. You can pay a little bit of interest, but you know what? You just boosted your credit by doing that. Now take that money, do it to another bank, another $1,000. Take that $1,000, put it in another bank. You know, say I want to loan against it, credit builder loan, installment loan. They're gonna give it to you, okay? And then next bank, do it again. Do that 3 times in 3 months. Okay, you just paid back a loan from 3 different banks 3 times, $3,000 credit line. Okay, so now you have high credit. That's gonna hit your credit score. All 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. Straight like that. Boom! You just boosted your credit. Didn't need a credit card at all. The money, don't spend it. You loan against it. It's just for loaning. Take the money as soon as they give it to you back. You just take it to the next bank and loan with that. Get it back, take it to the next bank, loan it back. Just a cycle. Boom, boom, boom. Trifecta. Easy. Super simple, super savvy method. Spontaneous Productions. I'm giving you them gems. Like and subscribe right now. Hit that button right now. This goon's about to blast off with this. Alright? Straight like that. The next thing you can do to build your credit up with no credit at all is you can get installment loans from sites such as Credit Strong and Self Lender. Okay, these are credit builder loans accounts where, you know, you just pay monthly on them. You just pay monthly. You get like a $10,000 credit line, $5,000 credit line, $2,500 credit line, whatever you choose, okay? And you just pay monthly on it, but you never get the money. You will never get the money. You can't use it. You can't touch it. Nothing. But you are just going to continuously pay on it. It's going to seem as if you borrowed. So it's going to look like to the credit bureaus that you borrowed $10,000 or $5,000 or $2,500, whatever you chose. It's going to look like you borrowed that, but you didn't borrow it at all. You didn't touch the money at all. You never got the money to use at all, but you just paid every month on it. And then you can close these accounts. That's why I like Credit Strong the best, because you can just close it whenever you want, and it's going to show up on your credit file as a closed credit line, you know, installment loan. So that's a great way to build credit fast. You can really build credit fast and rocket ship, boom, blast off with your credit score, get a high credit score, and you didn't even do anything. You didn't even get a credit card. Okay, these are very safe ways for you to get a credit boost really quickly. All right. So yo, the next thing you can do to get high credit with no credit card is pay for delete. Okay, this is for the people that have messed up their credit and they have some derogatories. Check out your credit file, see what you owe. You know, use these different apps and whatnot and see what you owe to the creditors. And you might have something small. Like you might have a debt that's $200, $300, $500, $50, you know, whatever. You can do pay for delete for those and just negotiate half the price. So if you owe $3,000 or $300, if it's something low, this is for stuff when it's low, like it's a charge that you got, it's $400. You could pay for delete, negotiate that, pay half, like $200 instead of $400, and then boom, you say pay for delete. You must use those words though. You must use the terms pay for delete. Okay, you do pay for delete, they will delete that. Okay. Make sure you get it in writing too on email. You can get it in writing on email, that's fine. But just not pay down the balance. Because if you pay down the balance, it'll show that you owe the debt and you just paid it down. No, you want to pay for delete. So when you pay that 50% off, whatever it is, 60% off, 70% off, whatever you negotiate, you pay that off, pow, instantly it's gone. Like it never happened. It was never there. You never defaulted on nothing. It never existed. That's what you want. You clean credit file and that'll boost your credit score up, okay? That's how you get good credit if you're already messed up with that, all right? Now, the next thing you can do to get high credit scores with no credit card is inquiry removal. You can send letters to all the bureaus because you try to get credit a bunch of times with your credit card. You try to get credit and it didn't work. You got denied. Now you want to remove those. Do inquiry removal, okay? Now, you're going to do inquiry removal. You might just be removing like 5 points, you know, and when it gets removed, it might get like 5 credit points back. But let's say, you know, you got 5 of those. Okay, that's 25 points. If it's 5 points each one. So that this can add up, and that's across all 3 bureaus. So it can really add up, and that can really help you out. It will boost your credit score. So you want that. So inquiry removal, okay? You want to do inquiry removal, and that's going to help you get high credit for all the times you applied for credit, but you didn't get it. Now, if you got the credit though, don't bother with that. Leave that. It has to stay on there if you got the actual credit, all right? But if you didn't get the credit, you got denied, then inquiry removal, that's the key for you. And there's a variety of letters and stuff you can research online about that and do that. That's how that works, all right? Move like that, my boy. The next way you can get high credit with no credit card is a credit sweep. Now, this is for people that owe large debt, okay? You have the bill collectors calling you every day. You owe portfolio recovery services and all the other different services that are trying to come get you and collect on that debt. You owe a credit card, $2,000 here, $5,000 there, you know, $8,000 there, you know, $3,225 there, okay? Now you want to do credit sweeps, okay? And credit sweep basically will just sweep away all these accounts that are just, they're going to be gone. All the collections are going to get out of there. All of them, okay? This is how you get rid of big chunks of debt with credit sweeps. So there's a variety of companies and services on the internet that do credit sweeps. You can learn about this stuff. Just do a quick Google search about credit sweeps and companies that do credit sweeps. Now, there are credit sweeps that are legal and there's credit sweeps that are illegal. So do your own homework, check about that. But credit sweeps, there's credit sweeps that can be done 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Okay, that stuff is gone off the file. There's even 7-day credit sweeps, but make sure, if you do these 7-day credit sweeps, that it's for the right reasons, because you can't get in trouble if you, do credit sweeps the wrong way. So just check about that, see about, what's going on with the credit sweeps. And you can really get high credit when you get the credit sweeps. That's how you get rid of large debt. All right, yeah, large debt on your file, credit sweep it away. You have high credit right back again. Your credit score is getting dragged down by the derogatories, and as soon as those derogatories get gone, credit score go up, sky high, rocket ship to the moon. All right. The next way to get high credit, all right, with no credit cards, is go get secured credit cards. Okay, secured card, you're basically just gonna put money down yourself, and whatever you put down, you're gonna get on the card. So you put down $300, now you got a $300 credit card. Put down $500, you got a $500 credit card. You put down $1,000, you got a $1,000 credit card. These are good because basically it's gonna help you build credit, straight like that. That's what they work for, that's what they're here for, that's what they do. So secured card, great way to build credit without getting a credit card. Yes, it is a credit card, but it's you put the money down on it. So it's a little bit different. If you have bad credit or no credit, you can just get these secured cards. You can get a couple of them for $300, $200. With like $600, technically you can get 3 of them. 3 that are $200. Open Sky and the Green Dot has one. Navy Federal has one. They're just all over the place. There's just so many of them. There's a lot. Chime, there's a lot of them. So just do your research. I got a video about top secured cards. You can check that video out, previous video, old video. So, there's another way, secured cards. All right. The next way you can build credit, okay, with no credit card is use apps that report your bills, like Experian Boost. So you can use Experian Boost, put your bills on it, whatever bills you got, you can use that and it'll help you build credit. You can also use Grow Credit if you have subscriptions. Put your phone bill on it. You can put your phone bill on Grow Credit, and there's also rent reporting. You can report your rent on some of these sites. There's like rentreporters.com, and there's a few different other ones. I can't think of them off the head, but just Google them. They're out there, and there's a variety of these companies, way more than just one. So you can just report your rent, okay? And there you go. Just by reporting your rent that you're paying anyway, it's gonna boost your credit. Paying your bills that you're paying anyway with Experian Boost and the Grow Credit app, it doesn't matter. You're gonna keep boosting your credit up. Credit gonna go up, and you weren't even getting a credit card. Just you're paying your bills anyway. You had those bills anyway to pay. Might as well just build credit off it, straight like that. So that's how that works, my game. So giving you crazy game right now on how to build your credit without a credit card. All right. And the last and final way that you can build credit with no credit card, this one's a little bit tricky, but hey, it's another way, and we hitting all angles, is use a CPN. Credit profile number, credit privacy number. Now, CPNs are a gray area. Some people say they're legal, some people say they're illegal. You know what? With this one, you do your own research, but I will say this. If you use a CPN, you can have a high credit score very, very rapidly, very, very quick. Blank file, okay? So you have a blank file, you can build that blank file up very quickly, very rapidly, and you can have high credit with that, with no credit card needed whatsoever. So I'm not gonna talk too much about that. CPN, just Google that and do your own homework, research. And this is not financial advice in any way, shape, form, or fashion. And you always use that stuff at your own risk, but it's out there. Just another way that you can build your credit up with no credit card. So I gave you goons 10 ways to build your credit up with no credit card. So if you're feeling that, come on, man, do a solid. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the credit game for the goons, you heard? Spontaneous production, that's how we do it. So till next time, I need all my goons to pull up and blast off. You know what to do. Build that credit. Let's get it up to the moon, sky high, rocket ship. Blast off. Till next time. Peace. Salute.
I don't fuck around, Dunny. It's most rip. Spontaneous shit. Shut up and listen. Spontaneous shit. Introduction.